Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. Look, cousin, I have my cousin here.
Yeah, we supposed to be taking out my hand. We over here making s'mores drinks and stuff. Look at this. She's supposed to be taking out my hair. How are we gonna take out my hair and we gonna be drunk?
Yeah, and well, you off tomorrow, right?
No.
Oh Lord. Okay, so we gotta take it out today. So we got, let me show y'all. Okay, so we got this Bailey's s'mores, and then we got some Tito's. It already has, oh my god, it has 17% alcohol in here, but we gonna spike it up a little bit and put some Tito's in there. So I got some chocolate chips that I melted, and I smushed some graham crackers. So we gonna set this thing up and I'll be right back. How it tastes?
Fire!
It tastes good. The lighting in my living room is whatever you want to call it. Let me try it. It's a little strong, but it's good. With the graham crackers, this is good. Now she better be ready to do all the little TikTok dances that we gotta do. Yeah, I like this. Bailey's s'mores, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, baby.
This is good. And you can make it like as a hot chocolate. I like this.
Look at this girl. I be from all these people.
But we gonna be back. We gonna do some TikTok dances.
Y'all, this girl, she know I'm a content creator. I'm over here making the seafood ramen like she asked me, and she gonna make her plate all messy. No, you gotta make it right. It's so good. Who in the got time to be waiting to shit? Sorry.
You don't know. I'm gonna do a sound.
That's why she used her noodles, not my noodles for that shit.
I'm gonna make it all pretty. So we supposed to do a mukbang, whatever. So
mine's gonna be gone by the time the video start recording.
I gotta put my wig back on. I might have to put my wig back. I took my shirt off and everything. But we supposed to be doing a mukbang, and
so did I put it on low?
yeah. It's barely anything left.
Well,
we need 2 bottles.
Might as well drink it, baby. That thing.
But we still got the Tito's.
That was fire.
I'm about to make the noodles, and then we're gonna do a mukbang, but that'll be in a whole nother vlog.
Yeah, I won't have no food in my mukbang.
It's terrible. Terrible. No, you cannot eat your food before. You can Malia the pizza. We'll be back, y'all. Y'all, it's 2:58 in the morning. These damn kids still up. And they wide awake too. Y'all not sleepy? CJ, you're not sleepy? Malia?
No, this your boy CJ.
Malia. This one want McDonald's. Oh. You alright? Get the pizza off the floor. Y'all just, oh my god.
No, that was Malia.
Okay, put it on the plate and give it to me. Malia, look at this one. Wide awake. So we going to we about to go to McDonald's because CJ said he hungry. Why you ain't eat that pizza? So we going to McDonald's at 3 o'clock in the morning. Lord have mercy. So we'll be back. Look at this one. Swish, swish, swish. CJ.
Huh?
You ready to eat some McDonald's?
Yeah.
So we at McDonald's. They don't got no Sprite. How you got no Sprite? But it is 3 o'clock in the morning. But damn, I wanted a McDonald's Sprite. Y'all know McDonald's Sprite be so good. What the hell are you doing? Popping your pumps? Becky.
It's not even ready yet. Y'all, look at my hair. She didn't even finish taking out my hair.
Got on bonnets. This is mom life. Damn kids, toddlers up 3 o'clock in the morning. Our mamas wouldn't play that shit right now. We would have to take, well, I don't wouldn't say they didn't care about what time we went to sleep, but eating at this time of night, they would have
late nap though, y'all. We shouldn't have let them take.
We should have made them take a nap, really. And then they would. Our parents would have told us to eat a ham and cheese sandwich at this time of night.
Shit. But Daddy would told us to eat Spam.
Oh, right? Or he be eating hot dogs right out the thing. Oh, I don't even eat hot dogs. But yeah, at McDonald's. We're gonna go home after this. Watch, by the time we wake up tomorrow, it's gonna be like 12 o'clock. Hey y'all, it is the next 2 days. My cousin, we had fun. We had a nice time. We always get to have a goofy nice time when we together. We did a mukbang video. I'm gonna show that to y'all. Y'all probably will already see it by the time y'all see. Y'all will see the mukbang video before y'all see this video, most likely. I'm making some chicken and waffles now. I don't know what's going on, but like, I be sneezing a lot when I'm starting to season my food. Like, I never was like that. But I'm making some chicken and waffles right now. I'm about to start. And I don't even have a big waffle. We just got the mini waffle machine because it's only 2 of us. Well, 3 of us. So this is it. And then I got my pancake mix. Let me move that. But I got the chicken right here. And then I got the chicken frying right here. And I'm gonna come back when I'm done with everything. I have made the chicken and waffles. I like my chicken kind of well done. So this is the chicken. This is the waffle. I usually would make it all pretty and put the confection, how you call it, the powdered sugar, but I ain't doing all that. So we about to eat. Oh, the syrup. We about to eat now, and then I'm going to edit today, start getting ready to clean for the New Year's and all that good stuff. And that's really it, what I'm gonna be doing today. But I will be doing like a cleaning video soon, since New Year's is like right there. But I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. I'm going to close this video out here, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.